The Delhi police has announced the imposition of Section 163 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita at various locations across Delhi in anticipation of potential protests, demonstrations and campaigns in the national capital during the first week of October. The restrictions are in effect from September 30th to October 5th.
That's right, Kitty. In fact, restrictions have been put in place from a law and order point of view due to several issues, including the Waqf bill. For 6 days, unauthorized gatherings of 5 or more people carrying firearms or objects such as banners, placards, and organizing protests or dharnas in public spaces will be prohibited. Let's go to Ishika on this. Ishika, prohibitory orders there in the national capital. Take us through the details and what is the rationale behind this particular prohibitory order where for 6 days, carrying firearms, gatherings have in fact been prohibited in the city.
Well, yes, Radhika, as you rightly pointed out, till October 5th, now the Delhi police, in fact, has imposed Section 163 of the BNS, now which includes that no more protest on the national capital till October 5th, no more gathering of 5 or more people, especially with firearms and, and other things that could incite violence here in the national capital. Now, in a detailed explanation that came from the Commissioner's office, it was said that it has been done due to the, political tensions, considering the fact that there have been amendments proposed to the Waqf board, and also because of the other issues, be it, be it the Eidgah issue, or be it, in fact, even the festivals that are around the corner. So seeing all of this, this Section 163 has been imposed in the national capital. So police says that this is only to maintain the law and order situation in the city. Over to you.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you, Ishika, for getting us those details.